This is an era whereby people are working online. And I have seen so many people, looking for these online jobs and they don't know where they can get these jobs. When you get your friends and they tell you, I'm working online, and maybe they don't want to tell you the kind of jobs that they are doing, they don't want to show you the kind of sites that they are getting these jobs. And in today's video, I am going to show you an AI platform that is looking for people. They say that they are currently short on transcribers and editors, of which this AI platform is hiring people that can write, people that can edit videos, and hiring is fully open. So they are open to those people who are looking for online jobs. So watch this video to an end because I am going to tell you the name of the app in the middle of the video. So if you know that you want to watch this video and you want to learn something, and maybe you want to know this platform that actually is hiring uh, people to write and to edit, then you will have to watch this video to an end because I am going to mention the name of the app at the end of this video. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this AI platform, they say that they are currently short on transcribers and editors, and they are hiring is fully open. So several major projects are starting on. It had already started, but because you didn't know that this AI platform exists, now you know, because they opened on 30th May 15th and July 1st 2026, with more to follow. Combined, those projects will cover 130 languages worldwide. So apply in your strongest or native language. And so this transcribe or this AI platform, it is also hiring people to talk in their native language. And so I'm also going to show you like everything about this AI platform. So they tell you that the transcription jobs enjoy flexible remote work, competitive pay by joining our team of language experts. We are hiring in 140 languages to deliver high quality human made transcriptions and translations worldwide. So this is an AI platform, guys, and so they are telling you that you can earn up to this amount, which is written here. It is not from my mouth. So the first step is that you apply and they hire you if you qualify. So you see, become a transcriber, become a translator. So this translator, you can translate English to your native language. For instance, they are telling you something in English and they want you to translate it in your native language. For instance, let me give you an example if you're not understanding this. Um, so let me show you something here. For instance, this word learn more, it is an English word, but when it comes to my native language, I can say elewa zaidi or taka kujua zaidi. That is in my Swahili, which is our national language. And when it comes to my native language, I am going to to translate it as nye ahinya. That is what they mean by become a translator. They give you a word in English and you translate it into your native language. So let us click on translator, and we are going to see what is there. So translation jobs, enjoy steady remote translation work with competitive pay. Join our team of language experts, weekly payments, PayPal, Pioneer, USD. So they are paying weekly. They only pay you when you have been, hired and now you are working. There is nothing like they are going to hire you to pay you. No, you must apply for the job, the first thing. And before you apply the job, you must know that this job suits you. If it is a transcriber or a translator, you must be able to translate in your native language. And then this is the payment method. The payment method that they use is PayPal, Payoneer, and USD. And they have said here that they only pay in a weekly basis. So it is not that you are going to get paid every day, nothing like paid every day. They you request for your payment every weekly, which is every Friday. So don't say that, oh, I am going to get money. You are not going to get money before you apply for the job, before you get hired, and before you work. The first thing you apply, the second thing you get hired, the third thing you work, and the fourth thing you get paid after all is done. So this is what they say, that you can earn up to 10 cents per word. Yeah. So hiring for 100 plus languages for this job of transcription, of you know translation. So we are going to click here so that we can apply. But before we apply, we said that you must do a research on the job that you are going to apply. You are not just going to start applying for a job that you don't know how it is, how the job is, what are the requirements and everything that is needed. First of all, you must know what the job is for. So and with stability and support, you can also go through this with 19 plus years of experience over that paid to freelancers and 100 plus languages. The good thing with these jobs is that you can do them anywhere in the world, like anywhere in the world, whether you are in Africa, whether you are in Asia, whether you are in America, Europe, wherever you are in the world, because these are freelance jobs, these are remote jobs. You can do them at your own schedule. It is not something that they are going to tell you that you have to work by this time. No, you work at your own schedule. Yes. So you can check on that. So, secure reliable work volume, you can also check on that. You can work with industry leaders. Go Transcript is a top choice for English transcription services worldwide. Join a supportive and professional team that values quality, provides feedback, and offers helpful resources to help you succeed. So you see, you can find your language and grow with us. At Go Transcript, we support over 100 languages, meaning almost everyone can find their language here. So everyone can find their language here. Whether you are just starting or an experienced professional, there's a place for you in our global network. And as we expand, even more languages and opportunities will be available, offering you a growing platform to showcase your skills. So I told you, the guys, that I was going to mention the name of the app or of the platform. This platform is called Go Transcript. For those people who are always asking for the links, guys, I am sorry, I do not share links, whether in my descriptions or in the comment section. I do not share links, and I will never share links. So that one, let it be something that you put in your mind, that in my channel I will never share a link, because when links are shared, YouTube normally they treat those links as the miscellaneous platforms, like maybe it is a platform that can make someone to get conned. And so I do not want to do that. Even if these AI platforms, they are legit, but I don't want to share any links. I don't want to share any links of those platforms unless I am advertising the platform. That is when I will share the link. But if that is not the case, then don't just forget about the link. I said the platform is called Transcript. Just Go Transcript. GOTRANSCRIPT. Go Transcript. Go to your Google, search for that word, Go Transcript. You are going to get this platform, and you're going to search for to look for everything. You're going to do your research, and if the job suits you, if you have the qualifications, they are going to to you are going to apply, because they say that here everyone can find their language, whether you are just starting or an experienced professional. There is always a place for you. So guys, these are the languages you can see here, and this is not all we have here. These are their payment methods, as you can see. And also you can come here. By applying, you will put your first name, your last name, which is your surname, because I know that one makes people to, so your email address, your phone number, the experience, capacity and portfolio, CV or resume in PDF, yeah. And then you're going to submit. So you are going to check on these languages here. You see, these are the languages and many more. So you can check this platform, and also you can see if there is any job that suits you guys. But as I know that everyone can, they can translate from their language to their languages. So thank you guys for watching this video.